If I want to use a Google Sheet to make a chart, I start with whatever data I have. So here's a quick sample sheet. And if I just want a chart on my math scores, I highlight that column and I come over to this insert chart icon. And when I click it, by default, it's going to give me a chart that it thinks that I may want. I can then come in and customize. Maybe I want a pie chart. Maybe I want that pie chart to be 3D. Maybe I would prefer it to look different, and we can go in and adjust the different charts we have. From here, I can either edit, copy, publish, move it, whatever I need to do. I'm just going to delete that chart. If I want to do a bit of a comparison, I can come in and click the chart, and instead here I want a kind of combination. So I've got my scores here. That line chart is not going to be the one for me. So maybe this gives me ELA versus math, but that's not how I want my axis to work. I may want to have it set up differently so it looks a little different, and I can play around with those. I can actually highlight the entire piece and go in, and this is more of the one I'm looking for. So I've got my students with my different scores. So it gives me the column to compare these scores against with the student name, and it goes in. We can actually customize and change our colors and the series and the legends. And these can be used in huge different things. So this is all of my travel in between buildings, and I can make a chart and it can tell me which ones I go to more often. And I can see the places that I drive to and from more often. And if I come over here, I can look at the age range for lessons, and we have over 190 lessons there. And when I hit this chart, it's going to give me a whole big pie chart of all of the different things. Again, we can come in and kind of adjust and change and modify what those charts are going to look like. But that's how we can use the chart feature within a Google Sheet.